How do we make hunting more accessible for people to feel a place in this hunting community? How do we create a brand or an ethos around hunting that can be more accepted within society? I'm Dylan Ayers. I've been involved in conservation in one way or another since I was a kid. I grew up as a hunter, and as a family, we hunted and gathered most of our protein. So we fished, we would go moose hunting in the fall. That became our normal, and that was how we enjoyed spending time together as a family. Folks started asking me about how they could be part of this community. For a lot of people who come from maybe non-traditional hunting families, is that the community itself may not be all that welcoming or inviting as a community. So I started EatWild about 10 years ago. We built a series of courses and workshops for folks who come from non-traditional hunting backgrounds to make a space that's, first of all, welcoming, inclusive, and create those building blocks for folks to become safe, successful, and ethical hunters. We've been really trying to find ways to create community, and which does two things. One is it gives you a place to share your passion, but it also creates a place to find other people to hunt with, to gather with, and there's that mentorship that develops between experienced folks and new folks, or at the very least, it creates a community of a whole bunch of newbies going out there together and figuring it out together, which can be a lot of fun. Wildlife is important to us. The food values, the community building, connection with nature, those are really important stories that I think we can tell, and I think it ultimately is creating a community of people who share our passion, our knowledge. That's been really fun and rewarding, and it's just amazing when people find us and they're like, I've been looking for this, I've been looking for this connection, I've been looking for this help, and I think it has a real impact on people's lives.